What's up, everyone? We're here in North Kansas City, Missouri. I'm in violation like there's nobody's business. So about 80 minutes on the drive over, and probably about 30 minutes on my 14. The only way, this was the only load, it was sit for the weekend or violate. So I've done this before. I put notations and I did get it inspected.
Turn left on East 10th Avenue, then take the first left.
If they see you take good breaks, like 12, 14-hour breaks every day, or 34, usually we'll be all right. In my 4 years, 3.5 years, whatever, I've been inspected about 15 times, and 2 of them had a violation of drives, or 14, or both, and never got a ticket or anything for it. They just want to see no more than just that for a week, and then they want to see like a 34 or a break. So sometimes you'll get a asshole officer.
Turn left at the traffic light, then take the first left,
and they'll give you a ticket. It's still worth it because the ticket's not that expensive. So I rather take the ticket and get paid, you know, for the weekend, which could be what, $500–600, $700 for the weekend. So I take that over a ticket. This X tube right here, I don't know, I haven't researched it, but we're gonna turn left in here and then see. We're headed to Salt Lake, so really good miles. This is what I asked for, 1,200 miles for the week. So it's exactly what I want. Okay, let's read these signs.
turn left on Atlantic Street.
Definitely not going in there. Okay, Atlas, driver, check-in. Oh, it is a Wheatland tube too. Okay, make a left. Love when places give you signs. Hey, where do you check in? Where do you check in?
Go all the way to the end of the building and make a left.
And make a left?
And then keep going down, you'll see it's you'll keep seeing signs all the way around.
All around. You do a big circle, huh?
Yeah, and then there'll be a stop sign and it'll say driver check-in.
Okay, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. You see out here in Flatbed, how we help each other out. This is, you know, you always ask when somebody was here, you can see the signs, but I always want to ask the drivers. The building. Okay, then make a left. I love it. Look at these signs. Awesome. Building. Make sure you don't take nothing out. Watch your trailer. There's gonna be a stop sign. Straight ahead. I love this. Nice. This is what I was talking about. Some of you guys, you watch my videos, I'm like, where's the signs at? Like my recent one. And you're just standing there. There's no signs. Go left or right or what? Driver check-in, stay stopped at the stop sign. Okay. And then like there's a driver check-in office. Cool. Okay, let's go. Appointment's at 6. Looks like there's nobody here, so. But it looks like they kicked you off on the street to tarp. I have no hours, so I don't know if they tell me I can't stay the night. I don't know where to go because it's Kansas City. There won't be no parking anywhere. How's it going? Over here. All right, you guys, we got a text message saying pull forward to your right and back into door S. That's cute. See how easy it is to back in here. PQ RS. Let's not take the stop sign out. There's, ooh, they do make it tight, huh? I love it. Makes you stronger. What you do is get as close as you can. Hit door T and turn it. And turn it. I'll show you guys. Let's see how good we can do this. Not a lot of space. Do you want to take those concrete barriers out? Oh, look at that, guys. One shot. Look at that shit. Tell me we cannot back. Look at that. Do one pull forward. Look at that. Tell me if that's magic. Where's the other yellow line? There it is. Look at that. How far and do they want? Good morning, everybody. I think we're gonna be a little overweight on this load. As you can see, this is about 2 feet, almost 2 feet right here in the front, and you're gonna see this about a foot back there. I told the guys, they said, oh, don't worry. I don't know. I don't think I'm right at 34,000 on my drives, and this load is 48,500. But so far, we charged it last night. They took forever, so whatever the GoPro, I don't know what it has. It's very hot, so it probably didn't record a lot. And they're very slow here, very, very slow. So got a lot of extra sleep. As you guys know, I woke up at 1:30. Didn't get done until about 7:30 tonight. By getting loaded, tarped, strapped, and everything. So one of those days where it's an 18-hour day. But it's the weekend, so we're gonna try to go see Jeremy. We're both gonna be on the 70. Hopefully nothing happens. We're gonna get this thing scaled first, Then we're gonna meet Jeremy somewhere near Denver, and then I'm gonna take the 25 up to the 80, and head to Salt Lake tomorrow, which Scott Fisher might be there at the terminal, at Prime's terminal. We made a deal since I've left that there's a Maverick or something right there by the terminal with truck parking, and he can come pick me up if I'm ever there and during the weekends, or Mike or whoever is there. So that's gonna be the plan. Be an awesome weekend if I can go see Jeremy today, Scott tomorrow, get a haircut, get some groceries on Sunday. So we're gonna roll out of here and get weighed first, and then if we look good on our drives and stuff, we'll get some fuel, and then go see Jeremy. What's up, everyone? We are in Lyman, Colorado. We're shutting down here for the night, and my boy Jeremy is here. I gotta get my Tonka back. I got some stuff that I left in his truck. It's been since I left Prime. That was the last time I saw him, so I'm really excited to see him. I miss him, and he is here. He just got here like 3 to 5 minutes ago, so he's still going to try to drive to Colby, Kansas. So, man, these roads in Colorado are rough. So we've been trying really hard to meet up. We've gotten close. It's just never worked out. But today it worked out. This load, you could take the fastest way from Kansas City to Salt Lake is the 80, but taking the 70 is only about 30 miles out of route, so it's worth it to get my stuff and to see my boy. Let's go this way. Gotta see where he parked. Over there, where is he trying to park? Let's see. Here. Let's see what he's doing. What is he doing? What the fuck is he doing? Trying to back? What is he doing? Alright, he's just trying to back. That is a crazy trailer setup. I think he can roll those axles all the way to the back. It's got those holes. I think. Is there 2 parking spots right there?
OTR Flatbed, there is.
Good morning, everybody. We're here at the Prime terminal. Met with Mike. I want to shout out to all the guys that I met here also at the terminal that follow my channel. I appreciate every single one of y'all. I'm not good with names. I know you guys probably told me, but there was one guy also, I think 2 of them. You guys are on PSD and you're trying to get your license, so good luck with that, and I hope you guys pass trifecta and all that. So I had a good time here with Mike. We went out to Buffalo Wild Wings, had a good time. My load's doing really good. I got my baby tarp and I got my Tonka back, so I'm really happy. We're only 1.5 miles down the road. It's 7 a.m. right now. They don't open till 8, so we're gonna jog down there right now. And yeah, but this has been one of my best weekends, man. It's just been really cool to see all my friends, see people that follow my channel. Got my Tonka, that was the biggest one, and just been going home. So it's been a really good decision. I do really miss Prime. It's no hard feelings to them. As you guys see the terminal back there, there's no hard feelings. I would stay. I always tell people to go to Prime first, and then when you grow, say like 2 years, to come to Central Oregon. That's my biggest opinion. I'm gonna stick to that for now because I love it here in Central Oregon, but I also miss Prime. I miss like the terminals, I miss the people, I miss all that. So it's kind of cool just to be back here and see people that follow my channel and see some of my friends. So we're gonna try to get down the road and get unloaded pretty quickly. Let's see what we pick up here at Salt Lake. So we'll see you guys at the drop. What's up, everyone? We are here. My GoPro isn't charging. Okay, make a right. We kind of looked at this place yesterday, so I know where we're going. Satellite, it's right here on the left. Wasn't in the front. We saw. Always go to Street View where you're dropping and picking up, so you have an idea where the shipping and receiving office is. Right before you make the left turn, so it should be this building right here. Yeah. Left here. Let's see if the gate is open. They say on receive until 8. Just sneak in there. The gate's at least open. Okay. What I'm gonna do is to be out of their way and we'll pull over this dirt lot. Get out of everybody's way. All there's shipping office. Let's pull right here.
Exit 107 on the right to Camelback Road, then take the first right. Turn right at the traffic light.
What's up, everyone? We're here in Goodyear, Arizona. We're here at the job site. They can't take us until tomorrow. My dispatcher said they were going to take us today, But it
In
all works out.
1/2
We only
mile,
have about
arrive
8
at
hours to drive
17215 West Camelback
recaps.
Road on the left.
So the plan is to stay the night here, and they're going to take us at 6 a.m. So I think it's this warehouse right here or the right. I don't think there's any overnight parking. Shit. Okay, let me call this guy. Hey, this is James. I'm here at the job site. I was wondering, because I talked to my dispatcher, he says you guys can't take us till tomorrow. Where can we park on the street? Can we park across the street? Okay. Okay. Okay, all right. Hey, Central Oregon, you got your ears on? I don't know where he's going. He's gonna call me back. What's up, guys? So we're here at the job site. This has been going on since they first started. There was a big safety team, people that had clean vests, made them put all this up. They were unloading with the crane, and now they're unloading with the forklift and then the crane. And now they're all just sitting here on their phones, figuring out what next to do. We got like 4 or 5 trucks here, and this is the problem with construction sites. It's this right here. It's 7:30, and we have 4 left, and these guys are doing another meeting over here. Look at this shit. And they stopped unloading again. This has been going on all morning right now. I don't know if what is going on. All right, you guys, we finally got unloaded. They had too many safety meetings. These guys are not happy. Don't do this, don't do that, you can't do this. They were just pissed off. So it took me about 2 hours to get unloaded. Like I said, that Central Oregon truck, he's gonna be there for a little while. He was here before me, and I tried to get on the CB when I got here about 11 o'clock in the morning, that you can park here at the REI across the street, but he took off when I U-turned right here, and I was trying to warn him, and like you guys saw the video this morning, there was already 2 trucks with me at night, and now he's gonna be here until noon. So it's one of those things, you guys gotta try to stay at the job sites, find a way, park somewhere in the dirt, do whatever you gotta do. This is where time is money, you know. It's so by time 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, because they're probably gonna take a lunch, you may not get unloaded, you know. And being in Phoenix at that time, man, I'm even waiting for a load right now. So tough little area, but it's just one of those things. Hope you guys always remind when you're out here on the road, is these construction sites, especially construction sites, you need to stay the night here, because they're always taking more than 1 truck most times. So we're gonna wait for a load. We're on recaps, like I said. We're gonna have like 8-9 hours the next 3-4 days. So and I need to head home, so I think they're gonna try to give me a short load up to NorCal and then back home. It's probably gonna be the plan, so we'll see. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Like I said, in my description, I updated my trainer, Scott Fisher. If you guys come to Prime and you feel like these videos help, please use my my PSD Trainers referral code. We're going to share it together, and we're both knowledge to help you guys. So it's going to be 2 people to help you guys. Have any questions or anything you guys need, please use that code. For Central Oregon, it's just going to be my code if you guys feel like these videos help. It's OLSJAM01. So I appreciate every single one of you guys. See you guys on the next video. Peace out. Stay safe.